Welcome to my channel The Tiny Guide. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for informative videos. Today we will see a trick to multiply a number by 15, 150 and 1.5. First, we will see how to multiply a number by 15. Here, we have taken an example of 18 multiplied by 15. In the first step, we need to take half of the number. Here, half of 18 is 9. In the second step, add the number with its half. Here, we add 18 and 9, which gives 27. In the third step, we multiply 27 by 10, and the answer we get is 270. Easy, isn't it? Now we will see another example of how to multiply a number by 15. Here we have taken an example of 261 multiplied by 15. In the first step, we take half of 261, which gives 130.5. In the second step, we need to add 261 and 130.5, which is 391.5. In the last step, we multiply 391.5 by 10, which gives 3915. In this way, we can multiply any odd number by 15. Now we will see how to multiply a number by 150. Here we have taken an example of 450 multiplied by 150. In the first step, we take half of 450, which is 225. In the second step, we add 450 and 225. In the third step, we need to multiply the answer by 100. Here we have multiplied 675 by 100, which is 67,500. In this way, we can multiply a number by 1,500 and so on. We will see the last multiplication of how to multiply a number by 1.5. Here we have taken an example of 840 multiplied by 1.5. In the first step, we take half of 840, which is 420. In the second step, we add 840 and 420, which is 1260. We need not multiply this answer by 10, 100, etc. Hence, the final answer is 1260. Very easy, isn't it? Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, The Tiny Guide. Thank you all once again.